God dang, Tina, let me get close up on that sucker, man.
Yeah, I had to one-up Ryan since his last video. I have a mustache now. My birthday's actually this weekend. I think we should get something together up in the field. I was thinking about some junk cars, maybe doing some racing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do we already have anything? I don't have anything.
Oh,
I need
already got me an S10 Blazer.
An S10 Blazer, okay.
Yeah.
I need to find something. Woosh, you gonna get something?
Oh yeah, you know it.
Droopy. Oh no, Droopy can't. He's got to go on the tugboat. Droopy works on tugboat, and he is not in this weekend. Wig.
I got a Jeep.
Jeep. Okay. Dang, sucker's nasty. Ooh. Things are skint back, man. About yours, Wig? Is it ready to rip?
No.
What? What's wrong with it? Don't know what's wrong with it? Why aren't you working on it? We got at least 8 competitors this weekend. I know I'm gonna, my whip's gonna be donezo. We're gonna go back here and ride the course and try to figure out how we're gonna do this.
Where are we going?
Okay, so I think we should start over here. Oh man, yeah.
Oh my God, this got soaking wet.
Yeah, and then this.
I'm not ready for this.
And then we'll go out like this way, like I think over the roller hills.
God dang it, Woos! Break your arm.
Oh,
We're dying.
Oh. Dude, I done plowed my knee so hard. My neck hurts.
Already down to 7 cars.
100 tadpoles there.
Ooh. We'll test it here.
It's just not turning over.
It wants it. Oh no! Woo! Dry Woos. Need some water. Oh, a little knock. We're already down 2 vehicles now, I think. Wig's a little red here. They're just locked up on us. Me and Woos are in the pig rig, and we are gonna go pick up 2 Jeeps and possibly a Ford Taurus as well. We are at our buddy Dave from Precision Auto's junkyard, and he has a plethora of beaters. So we're getting this Ford Taurus, Woosh's Grand Cherokee. Is that Andy's? Yeah. Nice. You're good, you're good. Straight back. You're good, straight back. What's good? Oh my God, what the?
It splashed on me.
Loading up the T-Russ here. You're good right here. Yeah, go straight.
I have no brake.
Yeah, straight on, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Nope, you're still on the ramps. Oh, there we go. Yep. Tilt her back. Ah, sketchy. On to the next ones. Slow down, Woos. Oh, just bump it. Doi. Oh yeah, couple of them. Ooh. Oh, there you go. Ah, ooh, dang. No room left. Last jupe to load up. See how this works out this time.
Oh, okay. Got a swamp growing in here.
Yeah. That's what this sucker needs to be called, swamp griller.
Swamp wheel.
Yeah, we got some flow now. Sticks Land Cruiser got a V8 in that sucker. Clay!
Get off my ride, baby! Y'all got something that's better than the daily. Y'all better be ready.
Oh!
Wait. What in the world? Already breaking my shit. Hey, what's wrong with you? It's good. Man. Pride and joy there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Y'all guys better be fucking ready. But man, look at that boy. Big V8. Right.
We're in trouble now. Reese got a replacement for the Subi. I'm super excited because I found a Crown Vic for $100, but this thing is bad off. God, my car is gross. Oh my God, I got a flip phone though, I think. I don't know if I want to touch it or not. How you feel about it, Reese?
Bad. That's not good.
Yeah. He never opened the trunk.
So there could be anything there.
Yeah, it's probably a human. See what it's on here. No, that's good. Oh! It's gotta make at least 400 horse. Way that sucker sounds. Yeah. No, Larry, we don't use phones like that no more, old timer.
I do.
Hot dang.
Look at that. Just like it.
What you got, Larry? And column is completely mommicked. So this is now my shifter cable that I have relocated courtesy of a zip tie, and I'm getting ready to make a sweet shifter bracket. Okay, so we're in my luscious Crown Vic, but I had to rig up a shifter, and I wanted to do it so I could really get nasty with it. I got nasty with it. Reverse manual valve body, park, reverse, neutral for the ladies, drive, second, party gear, zang.
Oh, about got you.
First gear, we're dragging the exhaust too. What's left of it, it's cut off at the manifold. So basically, for the non-car folks, the exhaust is about that long. And then what you hear is the rest of it.
I hear something whining.
Could be that it's a $100 car.
Yeah, probably so.
Your hair matches this sucker, that's
I
for
know.
sure.
I'm gonna drive this as my daily.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Boys. Crown Vic.
Holy crap.
Key. So Teeny's whip here, this S10 Blazer, is a 4.3 V6 in it,
Yep.
and a super open rear end. This is basically his initiation to turning 18, is to weld up his first diff. We're gonna give it the old trusty Lincoln locker. Oh, it's not going well.
Yeah, it just burnt my car.
Well, beside that, so. We're burning 917 oil right now. Teeny just got done with his first ever diff weld.
Yeah,
He's
it was
officially
like,
a man.
I was welding on there for like 2.5 hours.
But now we're about to pull the Crown Vic in. And what's yours, Hayden?
Aveo, Chevy Aveo.
Hayden got a Chevy Aveo. We're gonna do some work. Hayden's gonna do some tubular headers, probably out the hood. And I'm gonna do a Lincoln locker. Man, sucker just runs, man, I'm telling you. Sucker's about to do it for Dale Hard. Oh, it's one tire fire. Oh my God, Hayden's whip. Shoo! Sucker's a hog.
No, it's not.
What are we gonna name this sucker, dude?
It was a flea.
The flea, it's not bad. I need to get into my trunk because there's a motion switch, I think it might be called. Basically a switch in the back of this thing that if you get hit, it kills power to the car to be safe. But we have no key, so we have our locksmith. Oh! Oh! Live action. Hayden's a tow truck driver, and he got a wrecked car using our frame machine.
It's fixed, dude.
I love it.
All you need is that hose.
Crust is laying down, crocheting.
Macrame.
Macrame my Crown Vic, a fresh shifter handle.
We need the hangulations on the dangulations here. Fastest racing.
What time did you get under there?
I don't know. How long I didn't take that long.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. It took me 2.5 hours. Moral of the story, Ryan's got posi track now.
The bolt went through the radiator.
We found a little leak. Oh, man. Marine grade silicone. Oh. Over here bragging about how good his welds are. Look who's getting the grinder now.
Sucker's loud. The Hayden's Flea has a hood stack. Wham! I love it. The Crown Vic not only has a fresh, still hot Lincoln locker, it has a handle whammy made by the one and only Aunt Crust and a knee pad as well. So we're ready to go. Well, oh my God. Woos about died. We're trying to weld the diff up on this sucker, had it up on the jack stands, we couldn't get the rear end to spin. Well, the shifter's not disengaging full drive. So Clee got inside, fired it up. Woos was laying on the blanket.
Yeah, I was laying underneath this,
which was under it, and luckily the jack stands.
Who was on it?
Woos was under.
Who was underneath of it? And they said, "Oh, please start it up, put it in gear, and let the rear end go." Well, it's 4-wheel drive. What do you think it's going to do? It's run right off the damn.
It has a knob that says
brakes on the
2-wheel
damn
drive.
Hey, look at the bright side. At least it didn't ram through my doors over here.
May have gotten out of control with the jump. But the deal is, it's really not that bad. If you jump and land it perfectly, you won't tear anything up. But if you underjump it, it won't be bad. It's too short to underjump. But that ramp right there, if you overjump it, it's gonna be real bad.
I think I'm gonna have to hit that a little faster than most other people.
Here goes Wig. Oh man. Oh, side by side. Okay. See, you may have hit that a little hard. What the heck's going on here?
Sucker.
God dang.
That's all-wheel drive too.
Dang, dude, you may need daily this thing, dude.
About to rip it up.
Don't rip it up right now,
I'm not
man.
ripping it all the way up. Can I touch that thing?
25 mile an hour is what it takes. God dang. That thing's freaking fast. I blew the radiator out of my car. Whoops. I don't got one, but I feel like I do. This prep is really dragging us down. Me, Weston, and Clee are the first ones here. Everybody's kind of dragging because we actually have been kind of working hard on all these bombers, but there's one. There's mine. Sticks, ready to rip. Reese's S10 Blazer, ready to rip. Reese's van / everybody's backup. Woots's Jeep is extra ready to rip. Andy's Jeep. Teeny's Jeep. Hayden's little whip back there. Wig's little tracker. Other brother's Bad Boon here. Brandon's Taurus. Quite the plethora of beaters. So during our ramp testing last night, I overdid it and blew my radiator out. We're back at our buddy Dave's Junkyard Precision Auto. This is our victim, I think. We got to see if it's even got a radiator. Oh, shh. This is in better shape than the one I've got now. Put my new radiator in, and Teeny makes a celebrity appearance, hooks up the tranny line, and only does one. Anytime we mess with some old cars, we know they've been beat on, we're gonna beat on them. We don't want them to break right away. So put some Lucas Oil stop slip in there for the transmission. Even if this one's not slipping, but just in case, it's kind of like a safety that we'll throw in these things just to make sure that the transmission will take what we're going to do to it as best as possible. I mean, it's probably gonna still blow out, but this will make it last longer, guaranteed. Party test. We just made Moose's girlfriend ride with us, and look at the roaches. Oh my God, look at them.
Here.
Oh, you see them all?
Ew, why did I just sit in there?
Ron, watch out.
God dang.
What are you doing here?
Exhaust, super custom. Gonna be like basically a muffler slash maybe hopefully a resonator kind of sound. Just getting ridiculous, trying to get a little back pressure.
Yep. Can't cover up your mess ups. What happened?
I loaded my rattle trap muffler to the wrong side of my tailpipe.
God dang a fucking beauty.
I built custom muffler header extensions. I'm calling them rattle traps though, because the plan is to make just the most obnoxious noise ever. Yeah, I know the zip ties will melt, but there's some welding wire right there too. Basically drag racing exhaust though. It's actually made out of a drip pan. Test it. Exactly the same. Oh, I just spent 2 hours doing that stupid crap. It sounds exactly the same. Backfires are nice though. Jazz ribs. Always going for it. Perfect! Ladies and gentlemen, it is race day. We're